Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this Herenear Herenier laminate repair kit, or it's of course a pocket vinyl floor wood or tire repair kit with wax melter and with a screen display. We have 11 colors hard wax for wood putty hole repair, for furniture, for workshops. It's a complete repair kit for DIY at home, of course. And it makes a good and cool job because you can make a clean job with that. Yeah, that's cool. That's really cool. I think it's a good thing. So every DIY guy should have such a vinyl floor tiles PVC laminate repair kit, because sometimes there is a mistake as shown here in that video, and there's a damage on your floor, for example. This repair kit here has hard wax, so it is possible to make a good repair with that. PVC, vinyl, laminate, wood, and plastic repair kit for laminate floors, for tiles, for doors, for pockets, linoleum, vinyl floors, self-adhesive, and a PVC floors. It's worktops, windows, kitchen, countertops, laminate floor, and more. It's a complete set for nearly every area. This vinyl tile repair kit comes with wax melter, and it's easy to operate that device. We have only one button we have to use, and this is cool, I think. Yeah, because one click start. Yeah, this device easy to use and avoiding the tedious operations. And we press the button 5 times in a row to turn on off the device. When the device is turned on, we short press the button to shift the gears. The gears are 2.7 voltage, 3.4 voltage, and 4.2 voltage, respectively, of course. And then you can work nearly immediately because it's heat up really fast. And then you can start by adding that wax into the hole. And if this is in the hollow of that damage, you top up this, and then you leave this tool. The wax will be hard again. And after this, you can make this in one level with the surface, and of course let it there because this is fixed. And of course you can additionally use the fine liners there to make a little bit color onto it. So make a structure, for example. Add the structure of the furniture, of the wood area. And then it is nearly nice to see that it is in a good repair status, and the color should be nearly the same as before. Really easy, because you have all what you need here. You have 12 colors and the hard wax repair kit. 12 complete wax blocks. Colors to choose from. The wax strips for wood repair from their 12 common wood colors, including black, reddish brown, dark red, begonia, dark gray, cherry, oak, maple, white fir of white, and walnut. So we can also mix and adjust the colors as we need it to get the right color, which we are going to fill up the hole by using the wax. That's it. I think it's a really cool thing. Yeah. The application is simple and easy. We apply the wax into the appropriated color near the damaged area until the wax overflows slightly. After the wax has cured out, we can remove the unevenness with a paring knife and a sponge. Then, with a paint pan, we draw the original grain pattern of the damaged area. And that's safe and effective work with that repair kit here. The wax block is made of high quality resin materials, safe and non-toxic. The laminate repair kit can repair holes, cracks, dents, stains, discolorations, and damage to the furniture and floors of any color, and the 5 colors of the furniture marks them can be used to repair scratches on the wooden furniture to draw the wood again, grain again. This gives us furniture a brand new look, of course. Yeah. That's easy. That's cool. We can use it for scratches, for holes, for cracks. For nearly every damage, we can make this on guitars, on doors, on a backstage, cupboards, ground, stairs, table, more. Nearly every wood you can repair with that. Rainier laminate repair kit and a pocket vinyl floorboard tile repair kit for your DIY. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Satan!